Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best boost frame in this video? I will show you the top 3 best boost frames to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected 2023 CECCOTTI T1000 Carbon Mountain Frame. Specifications: brand name, CECCOTTI. Weight, 1,160 grams. Material, carbon. Seat post, 27.2 mm. Seat tube clamp, 31.4 mm. Max tire, 2.3 inches. Braking system, disc brake. Disc brake, 160 mm. Model number, 05. The item number 2 is CECCOTTI MTB Carbon Frame. Specifications: brand name, CECCOTTI. Model number, DCMF04. Use, mountain bikes. Weight, 1180 g, 17-inch BSA frame. Foldable, no. Origin, mainland China. Carbon material, T1000. Seat post fit, 27.2 mm. Warranty, 2 years. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Carbon Full Suspension Mountain Frame. Specifications: brand name, BXT. Model number, BXT MTB 097. Use, mountain bikes. Foldable, no. Origin, mainland China. Material, T1000 carbon fiber. Frame travel, 100 mm. Fit for seat clamp, 34.9 mm. Fit for seat post, 31.6 mm. Fit for disc brake, 160 mm.